Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel. How are you today? Good? Great. Do you want to talk about your daily routine in English naturally?
And I'm Jessie. Many learners say, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work. That is correct, but today we will make it sound more natural and more confident.
In this lesson, you will listen, repeat, and speak, step by step. And at the end, you will do a 30-second fluency test. Ready? Let's begin.
Here's the plan, okay? 1. Key vocabulary. 2. A real conversation. 3. Repeat after me practice. 4. Common mistakes. 5. Role play. 6. Fluency test.
Take your time. Don't rush. Mistakes are okay. Even one small sentence is perfect. First, daily routine words. Repeat after me. Slowly. 1. Wake up. 2. Get up. 3. Make the bed. 4. Brush my teeth. 5. Wash my face. 6. Take a shower. 7. Get dressed. 8. Have breakfast. 9. Grab a quick breakfast. 10. Leave home. 11. Go to work or go to school. 12. Start work or start class. 13. Have lunch. 14. Finish work or finish class. 15. Go back home. 16. Have dinner. 17. Relax. 18. Watch TV. 19. Go to bed. 20. Fall asleep.
Yes, it's a long list, but you're doing great.
Now again, a little faster. Ready? Repeat list faster, clear.
Good. Now let's use short sentences.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Pause 2 seconds. I get up at 7:10. Pause. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Pause. I take a shower. Pause. I get dressed. Pause. I have breakfast. Pause. I leave home at 8:30. Pause. I go to work at 9. Pause.
Nice. Very nice. You're speaking already.
Now, quick question for you. What time do you wake up? 6? 7? 8? Laugh. You will answer later in the role play. Okay, let's continue.
Now listen to the conversation. Slow and clear. Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Jessie. I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Hey, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m.? Nice. Do you get up right away?
Not always. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up.
Same. So, what do you do after you get up?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I take a shower.
Okay. And breakfast? Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, usually. I have eggs or toast. But sometimes, I'm busy. So I grab a quick breakfast.
What do you drink in the morning? Coffee? Tea?
Coffee. Always coffee. I make coffee. Then I check my phone for a minute.
Just 1 minute?
Okay, maybe 5 minutes. Then I get dressed, and I leave home at 8:30.
What time do you start work?
I go to work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9:30.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I have lunch at 1 p.m. Sometimes I eat with my coworkers.
Nice. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m. Then I go back home, have dinner, and relax.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or I listen to music. Sometimes I go for a short walk.
That sounds good. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. and I fall asleep quickly.
Lucky you. Thanks, Daniel. That's a great daily routine.
You're welcome.
Great. Now we will practice it together.
Quick questions. Answer in your head or out loud. 1. What time does Daniel usually wake up? Pause 2 seconds. Yes, 7 a.m. 2. Does he get up right away? Pause. No, not always. 3. What does he do after he gets up? Pause. He brushes his teeth, washes his face, and takes a shower. 4. What time does he finish work? Pause. 6 p.m.
Good. If you answered 2 or 3, that's great.
Repeat after me. Slowly. Ready? 1. What time do you usually wake up? Pause 3 seconds. Again. Pause. 2. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Pause. Again. Pause. 3. Do you get up right away? Pause. Again. Pause. 4. Not always. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Pause. Again. Pause. 5. First I brush my teeth. Pause. Again. Pause. 6. Then I wash my face. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. After that I take a shower. Pause. Again. Pause. 8. Sometimes I grab a quick breakfast. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. I leave home at 8:30. Pause. Again. Pause. 10. I start work at 9:30. Pause. Again. Pause. 11. I finish work at 6 p.m. Pause. Again. Pause. 12. Then I go back home, have dinner, and relax. Pause. Again. Pause.
Very good. Seriously, good job.
Now we do it again, but in small chunks. A little faster. Ready? Chunk A. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Pause 3 seconds. Chunk B. Do you get up right away? Not always. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Pause. Chunk C. First I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that I take a shower. Pause. Chunk D. Sometimes I grab a quick breakfast. Then I get dressed and leave home. Pause.
Nice. Your speaking is getting smoother.
Now, common mistakes. This part is important. Ready? Mistake 1. I wake at 7. I wake up at 7. Repeat. I wake up at 7. Pause. Mistake 2. I get dressed up. I get dressed. Repeat. I get dressed. Pause. Mistake 3. I do a shower. I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower. Pause. Mistake 4. I go to my home. I go back home. Repeat. I go back home. Pause. Mistake 5. Natural upgrade. Okay. I eat breakfast is correct. But more natural is I have breakfast or I grab a quick breakfast. Repeat. I grab a quick breakfast. Pause.
Great. Small corrections, big improvement.
Now listen again. Normal speed. Don't worry if you miss some words. Keep listening. Replay the same dialogue at normal speed.
Good. If you understand 70%, that's great. If you understand 50%, still great. Keep going.
Now it's your turn. Speak out loud. Ready? Question 1. What time do you usually wake up? Pause 6 seconds.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Question 2. Do you get up right away? Pause 6 seconds.
Option 1. Yes, I do. Option 2. Not always. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Question 3. What do you do after you get up? Pause 7 seconds.
First, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I take a shower. Question 4. What do you have for breakfast? Pause 7 seconds.
I have toast. I have eggs. I grab a quick breakfast.
Nice. Even one sentence is perfect.
Now, the fluency test. Speak for 30 seconds about your daily routine. Use this structure. Repeat it with me first. I usually wake up at first then after that in the evening finally I go to bed at.
Okay. Pause the video now and speak for 30 seconds.
Great. Good job.
Now write 5 sentences about your daily routine in the comments. Use I usually. First, then, after that, finally.
I will read your comments and I will reply to some of you.
Next, stay tuned to episode 2 at the Cafe English Conversation.
Like the video, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.